Hey you guys, you just saw me unbox the Chanel Yen wallet in black, and so now I'm going to show you what fits, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Seriously, hit the subscribe button. I see you guys that are watching the videos, but you haven't hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Like it's easy, it's there, it's waiting, it's like beckoning for you to press it. So just press it. Okay, so currently I am actually carrying my Speedy Bee Empreinte leather in black. And this is the Chanel wallet that I got, just so you can compare the two leathers here. They're pretty similar in color. The reason I have this purse here is to show you how it fits, because I am currently as a wallet carrying my compact Zippy wallet. So I'm going to trade some things over. Obviously, I'm not going to show you like my credit cards and that kind of stuff, because well, that just wouldn't be smart, would it? So we're going to start with, the little bit of cash that I carry, and I'm just going to put it down in here where the cash goes. Look at like how similar these designs are. They both lay flat. The difference is this one zips, this one doesn't. You can see the size difference. I'll hold them side by side in a minute and show you the size comparison. I'm just looking through all the little pockets to see what I have and where. So I have this bunch of gift cards that don't quite fit in my card holder, but I actually carry them separately, because these are more like my Home Good and Michael's gift cards. So I carry those separately, and I think I'm just going to put those back in here for right now. And then all the cards that I use for business and personal, I'm going to pull out and see how many I have right now. Okay, I got everything switched over as far as I can tell. Let me double check all of these flaps, make sure that I didn't miss anything, because this thing has so many wallets and pockets and slip pockets and all that. This is still my go-to wallet. It's even got this little spot right here. It's so cute, but I like to give my wallets a break. So I'll show you how that fits in there as compared to how this fits, but this thing holds everything. So these two sets of cards in this, I had it on both sides. It fits all of my cards here except the gift cards, which I did move over to this spot here in the zipped part. And that way, if I flap it open, it doesn't go everywhere. But that thing, it kind of stretches open a little bit. So let me show you how it actually fits in the purse. And then you'll get a better idea for size. So right now I have, all of my normal stuff in there. I have my key ring holder, all of that. I hope you can see that okay. Over here I have my card holder kind of slipped into that pocket right here. But I have my wallet right here on the outside edge. So that is how the Zippy compact wallet fits in there. This is the Chanel Yen wallet. And that just slides right back in there and fits perfectly. Can you guys see that? That is awesome. So that's how the Yen wallet fits into the Speedy Bee 25 and the Empreinte. I'm sure it fits in the Speedy Bee 25 or just the Speedy 25 just fine. For sure it fits in the Speedy 30. I think it's gonna fit in all of my purses except maybe, I don't know any of them that it won't fit, except maybe the St. Cloud GM over there, which I don't carry that often. It is cute, but I just don't carry it as often as I thought I would. So here's the size comparison to the this compact Zippy wallet. It's actually not that much longer than the Zippy wallet, as you can see, and it's not much thicker. So this is so beautiful. I just love this. Let me real quick show you the size comparison to the Zippy wallet in length. It's like the difference from this to this is about the same difference as from the Zippy compact wallet to the yen wallet. So there's the Zippy wallet, thickness and all. And then the compact Zippy wallet. It's like, not, it's about the same. So that's what fits. I mean, this thing, y'all know I'm not going to carry a wallet that doesn't fit everything that I need in it. So this thing is carrying everything so far. The one thing that I did see on the wear and tear of the used ones is like right here, you can see where the cards kind of push up against it and create an indent. And I think that you're just not going to get away from that. And because this is so like supple, it's going to scratch and all that. So I'm just going to have to be okay with that. But look at that beautiful logo. Anyway, so that's my new yen wallets in the Caviar leather. I went with Caviar because it is a tougher leather is what I've seen all over. So I'm going to give that one a try and I'll let you guys know. I'll do a review on this at some point once I've carried it for a little bit. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you've enjoyed this and I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you these in there and all my, you just saw me unbox the Chanel yen, I don't even remember the full name. Maybe there's a better way to do this. In my wallet, just because, I don't know. Let's see, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll show you this in just 1 minute once I get these seated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that's how that,